In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Genspark account permanently. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is irreversible. It removes your profile and associated data, and you won't be able to recover it later. If there's anything you might want to keep, make sure you've saved it elsewhere before you start. To begin, open your web browser and go to genspark.ai. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're on the official site. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in so the account settings become available. This process works on desktop and mobile. The layout may shift slightly on a phone, but the options are the same. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for the Genspark logo. It's the main icon that opens the app's primary menu. Click or tap that logo to open the navigation panel. If you're on a smaller screen and don't immediately see it, scroll or collapse any open panels so the bottom left corner is visible. From that menu, select Settings. This is where all your account controls live. If you have multiple sections inside Settings, you may see areas like Account, Privacy, or Billing. Stay within the account area for this task. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Delete User. It's often grouped near other critical account actions and may be highlighted to indicate that it's a permanent change. Before you click it, pause for a second and consider the impact. Deleting your account will remove your access and any personal data tied to it, and you won't be able to sign back in with the same account later unless you create a new one from scratch. If you have an active paid plan, make sure your billing is handled appropriately through your provider so you're not charged after deletion. When you're ready, click Delete User. You may see a confirmation screen or a warning explaining what will happen. Some accounts may ask for a final confirmation, such as acknowledging that this action is permanent, or require you to confirm your identity. Finally, click OK to confirm. This is the last step and tells Genspark to proceed with permanently deleting your account. After confirming, you'll typically be signed out, and the deletion process will begin. You may receive a confirmation message or email noting the change. If you don't see the delete option or run into issues, try refreshing the page, checking for updates, or reaching out to support through the help section. That's it. You've learned how to permanently delete a Genspark account in a safe and straightforward way.